Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds and o. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the sound in the word cook, cook, cook. Now the o sound in the word coke, coke, coke. Now I will use them both in a sentence. Will the cook bring me a Coke? Will the cook bring me a Coke? Will the cook bring me a Coke? Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat.